Indexing and Slicing, NumPy tutorial. In this code, a one-dimensional array R1 is created using NumPy, containing the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, individual elements of the array are accessed using index values. Indexing starts from 0, so R0 retrieves the first element 1. R1 retrieves the second element 2. And R-2 retrieves the second to last element 4. Slicing allows you to retrieve a range of elements. R1 to 4 returns elements at indices 1, 2, and 3, 2, 3, 4. R3 returns elements up to index 2, 1, 2, 3. R2 returns elements starting from index 2, 3, 4, 5. R2 returns the last two elements, 4, 5. In this section, a two-dimensional array is created. Boolean masks and conditions are then used to manipulate the array. Mask equals a greater than 5 feet creates a Boolean mask, where each element greater than 5 becomes true, and others become false. Prints the elements of A that satisfy the mask condition. This line creates a new array R2 by filtering elements of A that are even. This line creates a Boolean mask by combining two conditions, and print a mask prints the elements of A that satisfy both conditions. This Python code demonstrates the usage of the np.nonzero. In this code, our AR3 is created using NumPy, containing the values 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 6, 7. The np.nonzero function returns a tuple of arrays, containing indices of the non-zero elements in the given array. Here, the non-zero elements in R3 are at indices 1, 3, 5, and 6. It returns a tuple of arrays that hold the indices, where the corresponding elements in R3 are greater than 2. Here, the elements greater than 2 in R3 are at indices 3, 5, and 6. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.